Guys, welcome back to another episode of TuneNgoon. Today, you can join me and my friends as we head down to Key West to tackle this awesome fishing adventure through Captain Mike and his charter, Blind Squirrel Fishing Charters. This trip was an absolute 10 out of 10, and I recommend it to anybody. Anyway, let's get right into the action.
All right, boys. First fishing trip of the bachelor party.
Oh yeah. Oh. Wake up, dude.
You're not funny, dude. Captain Mike's funny. You're not funny.
Alright guys, so maybe after 30 minutes of cruising in the boat, we stopped here so Cole could chum the water, and Tristan pulled out his fly rod. He's actually a guide here in Golden, Colorado at Golden Fly Shop, so that was cool. But Mike didn't care that he brought his own gear, so of course he has to be the first one on a fish. I feel like that's always how it goes. But this guy, he pulled in a nice little Cerro mackerel right here, so that was pretty awesome. And one thing you learn about this boat quick with Captain Mike, Noah, and Cole is that we're all freshwater fishermen, and these guys will absolutely drill it into you. Do not set the hook. Do not set the hook. These guys will yell at you, and honestly, it's pretty funny because they read the room pretty quick. They all know everybody on this boat is a big shit talker. So, super good crowd to be around, let me tell you.
Boy.
So we were maybe only an hour into this trip so far, and my brother here, Mikey, just pulled one in again. So things were starting to pick up, and it was looking really good. And once again, big surprise, Tristan got another fish. This guy was absolutely killing them, but to be honest, we all were, and we have no complaints. But I'm going to show you this picture here in just a second, show you Tristan's fish. It was actually the biggest fish of the entire trip, but it was a monster kingfish, so let's check that out.
Yeah, get his face, dude. Oh, I know. Oh! Yeah, get in there, get in there. It's going good. Big old monster.
You can see right here as it kind of surfaces, this is actually an amberjack. And I fought one while I was out there. I got a nice one. These things wear you out more than any other fish I've fought, at least so far. So amberjacks are no joke.
Nice. That's awesome, dude. Nice fish.
Now, as a freshwater guy, one thing you notice when you go out to the ocean is every damn fish out there has nasty teeth.
Nice. That one doesn't have
teeth. As I point out right here, this one doesn't, so I thought that was pretty cool.
Corner my eye and I saw the rocket fucking Yeah, buddy. Yeah, boys.
Keep reeling. Your tip down low.
Oh!
Bro, you need to get the next one. You see a fucking rod tip, you're jumping in.
Yeah, all right.
Attaboy!
Dude. Sorry. At this point, things started to get a little hectic on the boat. Everybody was hooking fish, so we were all moving under each other and above each other, and it was chaos. But honestly, it was so fun. Like, it was just
hectic. I love it.
Guaranteed fish out there. It was really awesome.
If everyone catches a monster,
I know.
so far so good, dude. Super on board right now.
So right there in the camo, that's Noah, and what he's doing with the gaff, which is that pole with the hook on it, he's actually trying to disturb the water near the boat to scare the fish from going underneath the boat, because a lot of times that'll break your line.
I'm on your left. I'm over your head. I'm over your head. Okay.
I'm overhead. I'm overhead.
Can you put that in the rod holder?
Go get it. Go get it.
Attaboy, Rich! Oh! Monster, dude.
Another tingling, dude.
How much money you want to stick your finger in his mouth? Oh, damn, Mikey.
Oh, two.
So a couple cool facts about kingfish is they have been called speedsters of the ocean because they can swim up to 30 miles an hour, which makes them one of the fastest fish in the sea. I know there's faster, but they are fast fish because they're kind of slim design naturally. But they have super sharp teeth, so you get your hand anywhere near their mouth, especially on a big one. There's a chance you can probably lose a finger. They're definitely going to draw blood, but yeah, they got some nasty teeth. They're pretty bad. They're also migratory fish, so they travel super far distances. They're found in tropical and subtropical waters, and a lot of times they actually follow their prey as they migrate. So that's pretty cool.
Mike's hooked on another one. Hey, there we go. Nice, buddy.
That was a good fight. Yeah. You see this? Catching up to you.
Attaboy. Nice, dude.
So this fish that Tristan's pulling in right now, this is another amberjack.
Nice, buddy. That's awesome.
We were catching so many fish and I was having so much fun filming, I forgot that maybe I should be fishing too. Unfortunately, I missed the shot, but my boy Richard here, he just pulled in another kingfish, and that's a pretty good sized one too.
Okay. Watch the mouth on it. See how you...
Got a bunch.
Nice, dude. That's
Yeah,
awesome.
Richie, that's a good one.
Maybe.
I pulled it about 3 to 4 reels off.
Who hasn't
There we go,
got
buddy.
one?
Wow, look, just like that, Richard got a nice fish. Funny thing about this fish, it was actually a snag, so L on his part.
When the camera's on you, it's a big fish.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wait.
You locked him low?
There you go. Attaboy! Woo! What's up, bud? What's up, bud? What up, bud?
Hey, bud.
You just hooked one.
Snag.
Looks like a zero maybe this time.
It's a squid. Here we go.
Go, Richie!
Yeah, buddy.
Stick your finger in his mouth.
I've got to say, Tristan catches the smallest fish I've ever seen.
Yeah, that's called
Damn, buddy. What kind of rock did you get?
Pull the plug.
That's your weight.
Oh, there you go, buddy.
Well, he was on it, too.
He's off. He's still on it. Nice, bud.
Taylor, you're gonna have some prime video, dude.
I know.
It's gonna make sweet content.
Sweet content.
Like and
Hey! Blind squirrel, blind squirrel.
One more lift. Nice work, buddy.
Richie!
Yeah, buddy. He's gonna put a fish in Mike's pocket. Leg. Right side leg. Yeah. No, phone. It's fine. Look it right there, bro, on the right.
Hey, focus on your face. You've already lost enough. Fucking pissing out of my leg. I got you, don't worry.
Hey, someone get that one. that blue one.
Wait, it's gonna scream out line.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait, you said wait for it?
Yeah, you're fine.
Good.
Real.
Fish on! Fuck, I was Yeah. Let's Spike Lee this shit, dude. There he is! Get that double spin!
One thing that I missed out on was using the gaff. I highly recommend doing that. Richard got to do it here, which was awesome, but it's one thing I completely forgot to do that I wanted to do the whole time. So next time, though.
Good stuff, buddy.
Noah, he's a dickhead.
No show with Noah.
Get bit on the foot.
I'm about to. Guess what? I don't have pliers.
I do.
Oh, man. Nice call,
Are you gonna lose them?
I can't imagine what a Tristan smells like. That thing was. I'll give him back.
Camera.
Thank you. Now struggling to get it in.
Nice, dude.
So towards the late afternoon, we actually went trolling for sailfish. Fortunately, we didn't get anything, but I did get some great footage of Mike absolutely passed out. Alrighty guys, and that's going to wrap today's video up. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to, go ahead and drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more stuff like this. But hands down, best trip I've ever been on. All my thanks goes out to Captain Mike, Noah, and Cole. They really made it to where we could just show up, fish, and have a good time, and just worry about drinking beer and catching fish. And they did all the, all the legwork for us. So I can't say thanks enough to them. So they were awesome. If you guys would like to book with them or anything like that, I'm going to drop his information here at the end, and then I'm also going to put links to his page in the video description. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.